Hello, I would like to introduce our new solution, the UV 3D embossed label process. This technology brings a whole new visual and tactile experience to textiles. It can be used to create three-dimensional brand logos, enhancing the product's quality and brand recognition. Through UV printing technology, we can create intricate raised effects on the surface of materials, giving each product a unique sense of depth and high-end texture. By using materials such as silicone, PVC, and TPU, in gold or silver, which are durable, elastic, and offer a metallic sheen and fine three-dimensional effects, this process adds distinctive charm to sportswear, handbags, fashion accessories, and custom labels. The UV 3D process enhances visual impact and perfectly aligns with the needs of personalized and high-end products. Our UV DTF 3D label printer combines UV printing, direct-to-film (DTF) technology, and unique 3D effects, enabling the creation of high-quality, vibrant, and durable labels. The basic principle is to use special inks to print designs onto a film, which is then rapidly cured using UV light. Afterward, the design is heat transferred onto the desired fabric, such as clothing or hats. The 3D effect gives the label a textured, raised appearance, making it stand out effortlessly. If you are interested in this innovative solution and would like to design 3D labels for your products, feel free to contact me for more details. I look forward to collaborating with you.